We know that like exercise is an important part of that. And then we know that there are these other things that are important as well. So inflammation, other cells in the brain that become critical. So like the white matter is a really critical structure in the brain. It's what allows us to have really fast processing speed, decision making, executive function, the function of the prefrontal cortex. All of that is kind of dependent on white matter structure. And that seems to be really related to like vascular function, vascular health. Resistance training is really important to support that. So like all these other things become important as well. So like that's kind of it's just showing, like the first part of the book is saying, hey, we kind of focused a lot here, but actually it's not that that's not important, but like there's a whole bunch of other stuff that's important too. And a lot of it is related to things that we have control over. So then I talk about all the different types of exercise, how different types of exercise affect different parts of the brain in different ways. Nutrition, talk a lot about cognitive stimulus, social connection, sleep, like I said, stress management and stress mitigation, and how you can kind of manage your performance in the moment. And then all of that comes together into like a model that I call the 3S model of how these different like things kind of interact and affect you on a day-to-day basis.